Hi friends, this is Barbara and I am back with another crock pot meal. So today we're going to do a chuck roast, just something simple that we could just throw it all in there, walk away and just let her cook, let her do her job. Okay, so we're going to throw that in there. I'm going to use some Montreal steak seasoning. I'm going to season both sides. Flip that baby over. Okay, that's great. All right. Then I'm going to throw in five potatoes cut in quarters. Okay. Well, yeah, that was a big potato. So we like potatoes. Then I took 2 onions and I'm just going to throw them in there. We love onion. Then, at this point you can throw whatever else you want to throw in there, whether it be celery or whatever your heart desires. I've got these little tomatoes that I froze over the summertime. I'm just going to throw those in there. I think they taste really good with a red meat. Okay, and then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and use 1 onion packet because I'm going to need some kind of flavoring for those, and flavoring and gravy for those potatoes. So 1 packet of onion soup mix. Okay, friends, there was something I wanted to ask you before I started this recipe. I have got to just know, did anybody cook their meal in a crock pot over the holidays or plan on doing a crock pot meal for the holidays? Let me know in the comments below. And even if you've done it in the past, please tell me what you cooked. I'm just so curious. Okay, then from there, we're going to add 2 cups of water because we need that gravy. And that's going to be perfect. All right, I got mine on low, and I am going to cook it anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. I just might go 10 hours on low. I've never done a roast on 10 hours. I'm going to this time. Oh my goodness. Hold on. What am I doing? Carrots. However much carrots that you like. There. I think that looks good. Sorry about that. Jeez. I looked up and staring at the carrots. They're supposed to be in the crock pot. Okay, friends. We'll be back to see what this looks like. Also, add a half stick of butter. Okay, and now we'll be right back. Okay, friends, I had to take the vegetables out of the pot. Just look at that fall apart. Yeah, that's really, really delicious. It just falls apart. I am going to leave this juice just like that. I'm not going to do anything different with it. I was going to make a slurry, but I'm just going to leave it just like that. This turned out amazing. Try it. Okay, friends, if you like this video, or even if you try it, please give me a like. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. I love you guys and keep on cooking.